Hello students, welcome to electronics class. We are in digital electronics. The last topic, that is DTL NAND gate. NAND and NOR gates are called as universal gates because we can implement all other gates using NAND and NOR gates, that we have studied. Also we have discussed the NAND gate truth table and also NOR gate truth table, symbol, everything. Now we are in circuit analysis of NAND and NOR gate. Okay. So in that, just write the symbol of NAND gate. This very important gate, we have to remember it. A, B are the inputs, output will be A dot B whole complement. Okay. And truth table of NAND gate, truth table of NAND gate, if inputs and outputs A and B are the inputs, if 0 0 is the input, Y is equal to A dot B. We already know the truth table, we just verify that using the circuit analysis. Okay. In the circuit analysis, DTL NAND gate, why it is called DTL? DTL in the diode transistor logic. DTL in the sense diode transistor logic. Likewise, we have TTL. TTL in the sense transistor logic and CMOS technology, that and all you will study in further studies. Okay. Diode transistor logic, in that we have 2 diodes and 1 transistor. These 2 diodes, we have already studied 2 diode NAND gate. Up to this, it is our AND gate, 2 input AND gate, and after this it is NOT gate. And we also know this, if you want to write equivalent circuit for this, that will be 2 input AND gate followed by a NOT gate. AND gate output is A dot B. If you invert A dot B if you invert this, you will get A dot B whole inverse. That means AND gate followed by a NOT gate gives us NAND gate. Okay. In the same way, this is our up to this is our AND gate circuit, and after that we have attached our NOT gate, transistor NOT gate circuit, though including that will be DTL logic, DTL NAND gate it will be. Okay. In this we have used 2 diodes, D1 and D2, and 1 transistor, and resistors RC, collector resistor, base resistor, and R1. These are this is the circuit explanation. So now we will study working of this case 1. In case 1, I will take A is equal to B is equal to 0, when both are 0 0. That means these two are connected to ground. A and B both have joined and connected to ground, that means A is equal to B is equal to 0. What happens? If both are 0 0, these two becomes forward biased. Okay. Because the cathodes of the diode connecting to the ground potential, so this will be forward biased. So what happens here, you can observe 5 volt battery is connected here, plus 5 volt is here, minus 5 volt will be connected to ground. That is not literally shown in the circuit, but it is understood that plus 5 volt is coming here, minus 5 volt terminal will be connected to ground. Okay. Once you do the practical experiments, you will understand it better, the connections will be more clear at that time. Okay. So this looks like this 5 volt is dividing, will be same across this and this line, because these two looks like parallel connection, right. This 5 volt is coming the same voltage flows in R1 and RC both, right. So, whatever the 5 volt, because of this 5 volt supply, whatever the current flowing through R1 here, that will, because of these two diodes, D1 and D2 are forward biased, they are conducting, in the sense the current flows through D1 and D2 and flows through ground. The current will take a path R1, D1, D2 and to ground. So, no current enter the base of the transistor. There is no current which enter the base of the transistor. So, transistor is said to be cut off mode. Okay. I have already told you tap analysis, where the base knob, base is treated as a closing and switching opening knob of the tap. Okay. That time we have closed the tap knob here. No current flows to the base of the transistor. Transistor is turned off, or it is treated as a cut off mode. Transistor is working in cut off mode. So, whatever the voltage supplying here, the current flowing through collector resistor will not come here, because when the transistor is cut off mode, it acts as a open switch. It finds an open circuit here. So, it will take a path of this. So, all the voltage appears at the output. That time we will have a output as 1. 1 in the sense high. If you connect a bulb over here, LED over here, that will glow. Whenever you connect these two resistors to ground, that these two terminals to ground, if you connect a bulb over here, bulb will start glowing. Okay. The next case, here in what you will write, both D1 and D2 are forward biased, are conducting, whatever you want you can write forward biased. Therefore, the current flows through R1, D1 and D2 and to ground. No current enters the base of the transistor. Base of transistor. So, what happens? Transistor will be in cut off mode. Transistor will be in cut off mode. So, all the voltage, 5 voltage appears across output, or therefore the y is equal to 1. You can write only, therefore the y is equal to 1 in case 1. Okay. In case 2, A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. What happens? That time diode D1 will be, B will be 1. So, we will connect this B to plus 5 volt, A to ground. What happens? The diode D1 will be forward biased and starts conducting. Whatever the current flowing from the supply, that will flow through R1 and take a path of D1 into ground. And again, no current enters the base of the transistor. So, transistor will be in cut off mode, all the voltage appears across output. So, that time also you can expect the output as 1. In case 2, what happens? A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. What happens? Diode D1 is forward biased and D2 is reverse biased. Therefore, the current flows through D1 and reaches ground. Therefore, the output Y is equal to 1. Therefore, the transistor is in cut off mode. Again, the output Y will be 1. The next case, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0. In that time what happens? A will be reverse biased and D1 will be reverse biased, D2 will be forward biased. So, when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, D1 is reverse biased and D2 is forward biased. Therefore, what happens? Current will take which path? Current flows through D2 to ground. Therefore, again transistor will be in cutoff mode. So, again output is equal to 1. So, when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, then also the output will be 1. Okay. The next one, the last case is when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. Both are connected to supply. What happens? Both are reverse biased. Diode D1 and D2 are reverse biased. So, what happens? Whatever the current flows through R1, it will find a open circuit here. So, it will take a path of this. Current needs a path to flow. So, it will take RB and enter the base of the transistor. Transistor will turn down. Transistor will reach into saturation mode. Acts as a closer switch. So, whatever the current flowing through RC will enter the transistor and reaches the ground. No current will come to output. Okay. So, in the last case what happens? Both D1 and D2 are reverse biased. Therefore, transistor will turn on and current and enter into saturation mode. Transistor will enter into saturation mode, or transistor will come turn on, whatever you want you can write, and no current flows through output. No current, no voltage can be expected, no voltage appears across output. Okay. So, whatever the somebody may get doubt, even this looks like parallel connection, why the current will not enter here? See, whenever a diode or transistor, whenever a diode is forward biased, what happens? It will possess a less resistance, right? So, and whenever a transistor is in saturation mode, both diodes will be in forward, both the junctions will be in forward bias. So, obviously both the junction offer very less resistance. So, our current always chooses a less resistance path and not this one. So, what happens? Output will be 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0 when both are 1 1, y is equal to 0. Thus, the truth table is verified of NAND gate using the DTL NAND gate circuit. Okay. Hope you all of you understood this. Any doubts? Please text me. Okay. Next one is DTL NOR gate. Next one is DTL NOR gate. Okay, that circuit diagram will be, we already know the symbol of NOR gate is this one. If A and B are the inputs, Y is equal to A plus B or A or B, This circuit's equivalent circuit will be OR gate followed by a NOT gate. You can write like this: A, B are the inputs, A or B. If it passes through the inverter circuit, then it will be A or B whole bar. And the table of NOR gate will be inputs, output. Inputs A, B, 0, 0. Y is equal to A or B whole complement. We will verify the truth table using our DTL NOR gate circuit. Circuit you have to draw with me. You have to write the diode, 2 diodes. Anode is your left side in NOR and OR gate, and the base resistor RB. Collector resistor RC plus 5 volt. Y is equal to A or B whole complement. This is the circuit of DTL OR gate. Here also we have used 2 diodes and 1 transistor, and up to this it is OR gate circuit. After this it is NOT gate circuit. Okay, so here what happens, we will analyze the circuit first and then see that in circuit explanation you can write we are using 2 diodes D1 and D2 on the transistor and resistors RC and RB. If in the case 1 working, excuse me, the case 1, what happens in case 1 when A is equal to B is equal to 0, when A is equal to B is equal to 0, both the diodes will be in reverse bias, right? Forward biased or reverse biased. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, both the diodes will be reverse biased. So no current flows through these diodes. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, in the sense both are connected to ground. Both are shorted and connected to ground. What happens when both are connected to ground? These two will be reverse biased. So no current flows through diodes. Whatever the current flows, just a minute. Okay. In OR gate we don't have any connection here. So when both, whatever the current which should enter through here only. So when both the diodes are D1 and D2 are reverse biased, no current flows through diodes and no current will enter to the transistor. So what happens? Whatever the 5 volt supply is supplying, whatever the current flows here, transistor will be in turned off, in cut off mode. So all the voltage appears across, this output. So when both A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, output will be 1. When both A and B are 0, diode D1 and D2 are, both the diodes are reverse biased, or you can tell no current flows through the diode. So what happens? No current flows through diodes. So transistor, no current enter to the base of the transistor. So transistor will be in, is in cut off mode. So whatever the supply voltage, that will drop across the appears across output. Transistor will be cut off mode, that means it will be acting as open switch, no current flows here, all the current flows here, and we can expect high output. This is case 1. Next one, when A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, what happens? When A is equal to 0, B will connect it to positive of the supply. When A is equal to 0, diode D1 is reverse biased, whereas diode D2 is forward biased, right? Here diode D1 is reverse biased, diode D2 is forward biased. Diode D1 is reverse biased, D2 is forward biased. So current will enter the transistor. Current, it will be connected to plus 5 volt. Current will enter the D2 and enter into the base of the transistor. Transistor will be in saturation mode or transistor turned on. Transistor reaches saturation mode. So closed switch. So current will flow through transistor. So no voltage appears across output. Therefore Y is equal to 0. For 0, 1 in NOR gate, output will be 0. Okay. And the next case, when A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, the reverse of this, A is equal to A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, A is forward biased, that means D1 is forward biased, D2 is reverse biased. So current flows through D1, RB and enter the base of the transistor. Transistor will be turned on and transistor will reach saturation mode. Therefore output is equal to 0 because no current flows through output, no voltage appears across 0. When A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, output will be 0. Okay. The next one, when both are 1 1, when both A and B are 1 1, both are forward biased. So current flows through both D1 and D2 are forward biased. Therefore transistor again enters into saturation mode, that means turned on or acts as a closed switch. Therefore Y is equal to 0 because all the current flows through transistor, no current enters here or no voltage appears across output. When both are 1 1, it is 0. It is just opposite of OR gate. NOR gate is just opposite of OR gate. Okay, this is the circuit analysis of DTL NOR gate. Timing diagram of both NOR and NAND gate we have already discussed in the last video. Please go through that. Whenever they ask these circuits for explanation in examination for 5 marks, I have to write the circuit explanation, that means working, truth table, timing diagram, symbol, definition, everything. Okay. The last topic, is logic circuits for logic expressions. Logic circuits for logic expressions. First I write, very easy it will be. y is equal to AB plus BC. Y is equal to AB plus BC. For that we have to draw the logic circuit. Here you can find a dot. You need a AND gate. Here also you can find dot. You need a AND gate again. Here you have an OR gate. AB plus BC. First I will draw 3 inputs A, B, C. I will take a connection from A and connection from B. I will draw on AND gate circuit. A, B are connected to out inputs of AND gate. I will get A dot B or AB as output. BC, I will take connection from B and connection from C. I will draw AND gate. It will be AB, the BC will be the output of AND gate. If AB are the inputs of AND gate, output will be A into B or AB, right? In the same way, AB are the inputs, AB, BC are the inputs, it will be BC, and we have to plus OR it. So, if you make these outputs AB or BC, I will put a OR gate over there. Y is equal to AB or BC it will be. Right? This is how we will draw logic circuits for logic expressions. One more thing, y is equal to A plus B and B plus C. For this we will draw, here you want one OR gate, here also one OR gate and one AND gate. Same thing, draw inputs, vertical lines A, B, C. From A I will take one, B I will take one. I have to put a OR gate here. Symbol is OR gate symbol. It will be A plus B output. I will take a B, connection from B, connection from C, and one more thing, B plus C it will be. I have to AND it because in between that I need a AND gate. If y is equal to A plus B into B plus C it will be. This is how we will draw logic circuits for the logic expressions. Okay, and the last one I will do. A plus B whole bar plus B into C. Y is equal to A plus B whole bar plus B into C. For that again A, B, C, 3 lines you have to draw. A, B, C. From A I will take one, A plus B I require, I will put a OR gate here. Here A plus B it will be, but for that whole bar is there, so I have to put a NOT gate. These are logic circuits for logic expressions using basic gates. Using basic gates it is. Okay, plus BC. BC in the sense AND gate I have to put between B and C, AND gate. Plus I have to do OR gate again. I guess if people are understanding this. Here BC, A plus B, if I put a NOT gate, A plus B whole bar, A plus B whole bar plus BC, Y is equal to, I will get a output. Okay, one more thing. I will give some assignments. Y is equal to ABC plus AB bar C plus A bar BC. For this A bar B C bar. For this how to draw it? A B C 3 lines you have to put, right? A B C 3 input AND gate they have used here. 3 input AND gate A, B, C it will be only 2 or 3 inputs it will be. Again A, B is inverted, put a NOT gate before joining into the AND gate, and C directly connected, 3 input AND gate, A, B bar, C it is. And here in the third term, put a inverter for A, B is directly connected, C, put a inverter for C, that will be A, B, C bar. All these are OR, right? We will put a 3 input OR gate, we will get a Y. Analyze it, then I will give some homework problems, do it at home. AC plus BC bar, A into B plus C bar, B bar plus C, B bar plus A bar C bar, AC plus B bar C bar, A B C whole bar plus A bar into B plus C whole bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems are there for practice. Draw the circuits for these expressions and you will be clear with the how to draw the circuit, right? That's all for today. Any doubts, please text me. Thank you.